Hi again from the Sunshine Coast, beautiful Roberts Creek, British Columbia. This is our 16-foot geodesic greenhouse dome, and we're doing something very different, very exciting in here. So come on in, we're going to show you.
You can see in this dome we have aeroponic towers. We have our propagation table, and we're not doing anything right now, but just wanted to show you all the seeds are started in these rock wool trays, cubes, and when they're about so big, we transplant them into the tower.
And the towers will grow 44 plants per tower. So in here we have 440 possibilities of growing salad greens. Here we're doing basil, we've got some watercress, we've got some salad greens going, tomatoes, cucumbers. Over here we have bean. It's not a hydroponic, it's an aeroponic system, and the difference is that the water only runs for about every 3-4 minutes, every 12 minutes. So it's only on very little. The water mixes with nutrients that are down here in these bins here, and it runs through what's called a dosatron, and it goes over to here into a holding tank. And this is a gravity feed system that automatically fills the reservoirs at the bottom of the vertical towers. We believe that vertical growing is definitely the wave of the future with increasing population. With a way, this is a way to bring locally grown food into populated areas rather than having to transport it thousands of miles. We're probably about 1,500 miles from California down into Mexico, in that range. And by the time the food gets here, even if it's organic, it's lost a lot of its nutritional value. Here we can pick, I'm going to do it right now, I can pick a tomato, locally grown. Eat it right here, or certainly within a short period of time. So we're very excited about this system. There's no chemicals used. These are ionic minerals that are from the sea, from the land. It has worked really great. We're very excited about this.
So, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.